Today, I'm gonna show you how to meal prep the easiest Muffin-Tin eggs ever. Give you a close-up. Hey everybody, welcome back to prep school and welcome back to my humble abode here in Vermont. My name is Victoria, and for this episode of prep school, things are a little different. I'm going crazy. So I'm slowly adjusting to this new norm, working from home with my husband in the other room.
Never thought I'd see the day where it feels good to wear something other than sweatpants.
One of the challenges that I've had is being lazy about meal prep. I think I had it in my head that, I'll be home, there's gonna be so much time to make breakfast and lunch during the day. And the reality is that's not true. So one really simple meal prep recipe that I'm going to make, and I'm going to show you how to make Muffin-Tin eggs using whatever you have on hand. All right, now into the kitchen, I'm gonna grab what I need to make this recipe. Eggs. I don't actually have a red bell pepper, probably similar to what you guys are dealing with. I do have half of a green bell pepper. I have some spinach, broccoli florets, cheese. I don't have the kind that the recipe calls for, but any cheese will do. And milk, and we're almost out. And I also need salsa. Oh, hi, Moo. He's like, who are you talking to? I also need the black beans. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my oven temp to 325. So now we're ready to go. I have my muffin tin here. You can either do some oil in here to keep it from sticking or use these silicone baking cups. They are reusable, they make cleanup easy. They look pretty cool. I'm actually just gonna chop my veggies first and get them out of the way, and I'll pop them in here. That's pretty good. Now I'm just gonna give this a good little dice. Perfect. On to the broccoli. You don't need to throw away the stems. Those can be used. Just chop them up. I do wanna know what you're currently doing to get your veggies in and cook yummy, healthy meals. What are you guys looking for in videos during this kind of time where we're all at home and cooking more and in a way limited by what we have? I'd really love just to hear what would be the most helpful and the most useful. So please let us know what you'd like to see. So now that these veggies here are chopped, I'm just gonna throw in the other things. My black beans, my yummy cheese, and my salsa. Now onto the eggs. We need 8 of these. We need a half cup of milk. All right, egg time. And then I also need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. So now I have my cute little muffin tins. You don't want to fill them all the way up to the top because they will expand when they cook, but just above the surface. So these are all ready now, so I'm gonna pop them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are all set and ready to go. And look, I cleaned as I went, so now I can just have a cup of tea and chill. The timer just went off, so we're gonna take a look at how these eggs are doing. Ignore my filthy oven, but ooh, they're looking pretty good. They definitely need probably another 5 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, baby. These look really yummy. Let me get this camera and bring you in closer. They're just a little brown on top. And if you push down, you don't want too much moisture to come back up. I don't know if you just heard that, but my stomach just grumbled. That's a good one. Ooh. Give you a close-up. Little hot sauce on both of these guys. Yum. That is really yummy. So these delicious egg muffins are gonna cool for a little bit longer. Pop them in here, put them in the fridge, and then breakfast and snacks for the week are covered. Don't forget to check out EatingWell.com for more recipes and healthy eating inspiration. Thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you guys next time.